Thank you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Bea Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back to another art journal page. It's still the book I want to fill up. I want to add those pictures which are from magazines. But first I need to paint a little bit the background without her, just the background. I'm gonna put stuff away. The first color I want all over is a really light blue. So I'm gonna mix that light turquoise or teal or whatever you want to call it with white. I don't have a ready-made lighter, so I have to mix my own. And I really want it light. Just, oops, well that's not quite what I want. The thing I have figured out with this book is I don't like the yellowish tint. So that's why I want to paint it completely. I don't know whether you can see it, it's basically white. Maybe I'll add a little bit more blue, but not too much. I think that's about the color I want. So I'm gonna cover up completely except where the face is. Okay. Now for the next step, this has to be completely dry. So it is dry, I did use the heat tool. It's still a little bit warm, so that's why I don't go right in with my washi tape. I'm gonna first add a little bit more of shading. I have already with the pencil, graphite pencil, already smudged it a little bit. It was already, as I said, I have a lot of faces which I didn't finish up. Now I'm gonna go in with the Derwent Intense Teal Green, just to add another layer of shading in a slightly different color. And I'm gonna go right away adding a little bit green to her eyes. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the Derwent Intense also into her lips, and for that, that's not the Derwent. I'm gonna use Chili Red. As I said, I want those pictures here. This one was somewhere here. And this was up here. That was down here. That was because there's a lot of sky, it makes sense. I want them somewhat straight. So I want to mask off some areas. Wow. If this tape is, that's the thing, the older they get, the more they break. And I need it clean. Okay, here we go. That goes here. I need a straight edge. Now I do have all those different brands on different hues of blue, purple, whatever. And just starting filling in my squares. And I did take a picture what it looks like, I think, what I have where approximately, and then I take a look at it, that is this one, so that I don't have a too similar color. Like I have, this is a very light one, so I can go in with the dark here. But this one I would love to have the purple. I didn't plan it, I just go with the flow, so to speak. Now I'm gonna take the tape off as soon as I can, so they don't stick too much and hopefully don't tear up the paper underneath. It did seep a little bit here, but I think I can fix that. So my next step, I have already taken off my protecting sheet so that I have a little bit more room. I use the Pitt pen Faber-Castell, the big brush, to add black lines. Now for the face I'm not gonna do a whole lot. I do have my usual skin tone. I have here my white Posca pen and my black Posca pen for the pupils. For the hair I'm gonna use the Indian yellow hue together with some gold, just for fun. Oh, I forgot her ear. I can't do that, she needs an ear. this pen is nearly done. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with her dress. Okay, I'm gonna paint her dress purple and then I'm gonna remove some of the paint through this stencil. Scrap piece of paper and the glue stick. Now I'm gonna use, to finish up, I'm gonna use my Stabilo All for her. And I also go along the images. I'm gonna use the brush to activate at least along the images. Now the saying is, she dreamed of a little escape, and I'm gonna spread it around. Voila! She dreamed of a little escape. Don't we do that all right now? I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you soon again. Take care, bye!